Good morning, students. This video is for class 3 maths, and in the last class I have already explained up to question exercise number 13.2. Today we will start with shapes. Under shapes are plain figure or solid figure or of different objects. So these shapes can be two types: two-dimensional 2D shape. They are also known as or plane shape, or 3D shape. They are known as what? Solid shape. So if you divide shapes, there can be two types. Till now we have learned about plane figures like rectangle, square, circle, triangle. So these are all plane shape, plane figure. Now, if you talk about the 3D shape, that means solid shape of all this only, rectangle is cuboid, square is cube, circle is sphere, triangle is cone. So there are many 3D shapes, that means solid shapes like cylinder. So any shape which has the ability or which has the capacity to hold things in themselves are known as 3D shape, solid shapes. So you see, if you open page number 195, in page number 195 they have given you cuboid, cube, cylinder, sphere, cone, and they have given you the details of that, like how many faces they have, how many vertex is the joining point of the edges, what are the edges, how many everything they have given. Now if you talk about edges, so these are the edges, the sideline of the 3D shape are edges, and where this edges and the other adjacent edges where they meet is the vertex, that for plane figure we call it as corner. So you have to keep in mind how many surfaces are there, how many faces are there, how many plane faces, how many curved faces, how many vertex. You have to learn this. So please put a tick mark in page number 195 so that you remember that you have to learn the number of number of faces, number of vertex, number of edges, what type of surface they have, curved surface or plane surface. You have to keep this in mind. And if you see in the next page, that is page number 196, in page number 196 they have given you one chart. That chart you have to learn. If you learn that chart, then automatically all the details, how many faces, how many vertex, how many curved faces, how many edges, everything is given in that regarding 3D shape. So please put a tick mark that shape. If you see in the book this chart, if you remember this chart, then you can answer any question related to 3D shape. So children, let us begin. Let us begin with the exercise 13.3. Exercise 13.3. Question number 1, that is true and false. True or false? Number A. A cricket ball has a curved surface. Obviously, if you have seen a cricket ball, it has curved surface. Sorry. The answer is true. Number 2. The top of a book has a plane surface. So if you see the top, it has a plane surface. Yes, the answer is true. Number C, the bottom of a brick is a curved surface. You all must have seen a brick. It does not have a curved surface. It has plane surface. So the statement is false. All the faces of a cube are identical. That means same. True. A sphere has no curved surface. No. If you say sphere, like for example the shape of the world, the shape of a football, it has curved surface. So the statement is false. An apple has a curved surface. Yes, if you have seen an apple, the surface of it is curved. So it is true. Now, question number 2. They have said identify the shape of the following object. So you will write like here, number 2A. You'll write chalk box, and then you'll write the shape. If you have seen a chalk box, it can either be cube in shape or cuboid. So let us write cube or cuboid. It depends upon the company which makes the box of a chalk. Next, candle, number B. Candle is cylindrical in shape. Candle is cylindrical. So like this you have to write the shape of all the given objects here. If you cannot answer, then you can ask me during the online classes. Number 3. I am a solid shape. What I am, or what am I? I am a solid shape. I am 3D shape figure. So they have asked you few questions. People put dots on or number on me and then play Ludo with me. I am a dice. D-I-C-E, dice. Number 3. Let me erase. Number 3. A. I am a dice. You cannot balance on me anything on me. You cannot balance anything on me. Number B. I am a solid shape. So what shape that on that you cannot? A. That is sphere. You cannot balance on sphere. New shoes are packed inside me. Cuboid. If you see the box of the shoe, they are cuboid in shape. That means the opposite sides are identical. I bounce and you jump to catch me. That is sphere. Like I bounce, that means ball. So what is the shape of the ball? That is sphere. So you have to answer this. And question number 4, that is fill in the blanks. You see the chart that is given in page number 196 and you have to answer the questions. That is fill in the blanks. A cube has dash surface. A cube has 6 surface. Dash edges, 12 edges. 12 edges. And vertex, how many vertex they have? How many corners they have? They have 8 vertices. So you have to use that table, what I told you to learn, and using the table, you have to answer. So children, please complete this exercise 13.3 in the copy. 13.3 in the copy. And for today, let us keep it till here. In the next class, I will explain you about regarding curved surface and plane surface. So for today, up to this much. Thank you, class.